Hello people of YouTube, I haven't done a video for a while. Sorry if it's been a long fucking while. I'm sorry for swearing. Oh, so scary. Hold on, just gotta bear with me, fuckers. There we go. Let me turn off the light. Oh, what a bag of fucks. Shut up. How you doing, and son? How you feeling? That's right. Hey, I got a bag of piss for you. Oh, so scary. You wanna fight? Come on. I'm not waiting all day here for you, buddy. I wanna fight. Come on. I'm still waiting for a fight. You wanna barbecue in the house? Oh, so scary. Fuck. Wow, you're still shit. You wanna smell my feet? No. Fuck. You're still gay. Wow. So scary. You know what there? You wanna fight? Come on, my hair looks like shit today, son. You're still gay. How's everyone been today? Oh, you're shit and you're shit and you like these fingers and you like these fingers. I want to do some reacting videos as well. Sorry if my videos have not been too long. Smell like shit around here, doesn't it? What's that? What's that? What's this? What's that? Oh shit, sorry. No, shut up. Can I have a hello? Hello. Can you smell that? What is that? Seriously? How you doing, then, son? Look at me, I got teeth. You wanna fight? Come on, I'm not waiting all day here for you, buddy. I wanna fight. Come on. Let's watch this one. I wanna fight still. Come on. Hold on, got bear with me 1 second. Oh, you like my eyes? You're shit and you're shit and you like my fingers. Guess what I can do? I can swear and I can spin on my chair if I want to. That's right. Oh, you're so gay. Wow. Fuck, sorry. I'm gonna end the video soon when it gets up to a bit more of charge. You're shit and you're shit, you're shit, you're shit. What's that? What's this? What is that? I have an itchy nose, bitches. I have an itchy nose. Hi. Your nan is still gay. Hello, person. Oh, what a bag of fuckings. Right, I'm gonna leave it here today. Thank you, bye, bitches. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.